Dear Jerry, I'd like you to think of someone you love. I'd like you to imagine looking into their eyes and telling them, without moving your lips, how much you care about them. If your connection with that person is strong enough, they'll understand, because there are emotions that words can't describe and that eyes are just better at expressing. But how would you then, only by using your eyes, hold a conversation? How would you talk about the weather, or express your opinions, or tell a joke? Welcome to the mind of a person with Lou Gehrig's disease, one that has the ability to observe, feel and think without being able to move or speak. Think about all the things you'd want to say if all you could do was observe. This is precisely what we did at WISE. We observed and tried to understand what these beautiful minds had to tell us through their eyes with each blink. And this is how we came up with this pair of smart glasses that only detects voluntary blinking and that allows its users to navigate our smartphone app, in which they can type text and read it out loud to hold conversations with their loved ones, their doctors and nurses, and eventually with the rest of society.